Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account. So how you can create a Facebook account. So first of all, go either on your computer or go into Facebook app on your phone. So I'm going to actually do this on my phone just to demonstrate you how exactly to do this. So open up your Facebook application and then you should be taken to this page right here. Now on this page, what you have to do is just click on this create new account. Just tap on this create new account, and when you are here you just have to tap on this get started. And now as you can see, you will now need to fill out your first name. So you have to write your first and last name here, then tap on this next, and now you have to enter your birth date here. After setting the birth date, tap on this next, and now you have to tell your gender here, whatever you are, like your female, male, or any other option. I'm going for this male. Tap on this next, and now you have to enter your mobile number as well. So after entering the mobile, you will be able to create your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.